one dance, baby. That one dance.
Crazy people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I know you will. Okay, so today is Dhanteras. Happy Dhanteras to everybody. And yeah, many of them are saying like there's only celebrations going on in my YouTube channel for a while. Like first video is like about birthday, again Dasra, now Diwali is come. So yeah, I am sure I will make something new further, like coming up videos or something new for y'all and other than celebrations. So yeah, now tomorrow is Diwali, so all the cleaning stuff and all is done 2 days back. और अब मैं और पापा जाने वाले हैं लाइटिंग के पास, मतलब जो हमारा बालकनी है उसके ऊपर वाला जो पार्ट रहता है उसको झूमर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग चाहिए अटैच्ड वाला. तो अभी हम लोग जाएंगे लाइट हाउस, देन सेलेक्ट करेंगे. थिंग हैपन टू మై వాయిస్. అయితే ఇప్పుడు నేను డాడీ వెళ్తున్నాం లైట్ హౌస్కి. ఏం చేస్తామో చూడాలా. అక్కడ ఎన్నో లైట్స్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ ఒక మంచి పీస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి బాల్కనీ పైన పెట్టేయాలి, అంతే. వెళ్దామా? లెట్స్ గో. Light shop, and now we are going to select, like we have selected mostly some round ones, something it's looking like antique something. So yeah, we're going home now. Let's check what to do. Guys, TikTok. ఫేస్ వాష్ అయిపోయింది, ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం స్కిన్ కేర్ చేద్దాం. అండ్ నేను ఆ స్కిన్ కేర్ టిప్స్ మీతో కూడా షేర్ చేస్తా. ఓకే గైస్, సో ఐ విల్ బీ షేరింగ్ దిస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ అండ్ 6 months or I guess just 5 months, and I've seen great results. So as you guys know, this pimples, dry skin, acne and all comes. So lot of my relatives, friends, everybody prefers, दूध में हल्दी डालो, that you do curd, something all. I know this natural remedies also work. Even I use natural remedy only, but this is like a little cucumber and mix. So I use Everyuth Naturals Nourishing Aloe Vera and Cucumber Gel. I am not only preferring this only to you. You all can use anything. Like आपको aloe vera gel से मतलब है. So yeah, use this like while sleeping. So yeah, before sleeping you can apply this on your face, and you can wash it off in the morning with cold water. And yeah, it gives you a soft feel, and my pimples have reduced a lot, very much. And I have more skincare tips I'll be sharing like slowly. So yeah, the ones who have more like pimples can use this. And aloe vera contains enzymes, vitamin A and C, antioxidants. So yeah, you have to try this. If I have to tell you the truth, many of my friends have clear skin, and the school time stories, like I used to, like we normally discuss and all, we go to play, sweat and all. They'll see me, अरे pimples हाँ, अरे you will also get रे भाई, आते सब लोगों को आते, I'm sure. Then I guess 1 week के बाद she also got some pimple. अरे I got a pimple, what you use करते. So yeah, jokes apart, but I'm serious. I have to try this. Chalo, we also try. I'll also keep it. So I have applied this, and it feels like much relaxed. I have gone out, like today I really felt like बहुत सारा डस्ट बैठ गया था and eyes were burning. I don't know why, but then I washed my face totally and just kept on this. So I hope you'll try this. It really works. So yeah, tomorrow is Diwali. Celebrations and celebrations. Unfold your own mind with Hansika. Yeah, keep celebrating, stay safe. I heard there's ban of crackers kate. Chal, nothing like that. Hallu will take bomb and will throw like this. Are I never tried. Don't try also. If I tell also you'll listen, huh? Or I'm acting like something. Okay guys, however, stay safe. I'll tell this tomorrow also because tomorrow is only Diwali. We'll also celebrate. फटाके लगा के फोड़ना ऐसा फुल हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब गाड़ी के नीचे लगाना करते. Okay, good night guys. Good night. I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good afternoon guys. Had your lunch? Okay. I ended the vlog in good night and I came up to good afternoon. I don't know what all, but I was not able to shoot in the morning. That's why I told I'll eat lunch मस्त आराम से I'll do. आराम से करना कुछ भी किए तो. Not everything, but yeah, it's sunny. So I had my lunch and crackers came yesterday night में. Like my uncle bought and he gave me. Like, but crackers came. Okay, and yesterday मैं लाइट हाउस गई थी उधर. आई हैव सेलेक्टेड लाइट एंड आई विल शो यू दैट. सो लेट्स गो. हाँ, तो बेसिकली ये सीलिंग पर्पस के लिए. लाइक मेरे बैल्कनी के ऊपर जो भी वुड वर्क है उसके बाजू में थोड़ा प्लेस बचा था. इट वाज लाइक कुछ झूमर टाइप के लिए ही था. तो फाइनली वी हैव फिक्स्ड इट एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड. मस्त యాంటిక్ పీస్ ఉంది రా బాయ్, మస్తు ఉంది అది. నేను చూపిస్తాను. Okay guys, so I'm in the balcony and I'll directly show you that. So yeah, एक्चुअली हम लोग सोच रहे थे कुछ ऐसा झूमर टाइप का जो लाइक डायमंड्स पूरे नीचे रहते हैं. बट देन लाइक इफ़ द एयर कम्स एंड रेन फॉल्स फ्रॉम दिस साइड इट कैन हिट टू द ग्लास वन. सो वी हैव टेकन दिस वन. और ये इट इज़ लाइक डायरेक्टली फिक्स्ड टू द ceiling kind of a thing and it looks really nice. So I'm happy guys. To be honest, जब भी मैं Insta पे और anywhere I put stories like recommendation for your videos like what should I make, most of the DMs I've got are house tour. Yeah, surely मैं बनाऊंगी बहुत जल्द house में. और थोड़ा like some of the walls have to be like wallpaper and all have to be put. So थोड़े काम बचे हुए हैं but I'm sure I'll make the house tour too. సాయంత్రం అయింది and now everybody started playing. They are burning crackers. Children are playing with that gun. Must that is, they are also doing like some border pe they are. And yeah, sorry for the background noises. Constructions are going on. Thaka. Okay, so mama is lighting the diyas, like she's keeping it ready, putting all oil and all. She told me to help but I'm a lazy kid. Mama are putting rangolis. They're looking beautiful. is ready. पूरा चमकी है. And I'm honest, I did the rangoli but I saw it from Google. I mean the design, because I don't know the designs and all. Mama helped in the color wala thing to put the colors, but yeah, it turned out well. So jaldi we have to put the diyas, we have to lit the diyas and put it on the walls. और फटाके फोड़ेंगे, थोड़ा मस्ती करेंगे, रेडी हो जाने का है. So yeah, I've changed and mama is putting diyas and all on the walls and everywhere. The rangolis turned out well, nice. And the crackers have been started, but they are burning like all the friends and all. dad told to join, but then I thought I'll continue with the vlog. And this look, guys, I mean, the outfit is so very comfy. Chala manchigundi. बहुत अच्छा है. और these hoops are also good. मेरे को मेरा outfit मस्त लग रहा. It is so very comfortable. That's why I wore. Okay. Check out the pics on Insta. This is my Insta ID. Go follow me if you haven't, and if you did, thanks. Okay, so I don't know what. I'm loving this. This is a crop top and I wore a jeans. मस्त लग रहा मेरे को तो मस्त लग रहा. Okay, so I don't know what to do, but we'll go and sur batti and okay. Sur batti. Happy Diwali guys. Everybody. इसको बोलते कनेक्शन लगाना. I learned this ऐसा कनेक्शन लगाया. ये भी लगा. Connections. Go also connect with people and make more connections. Over तो नहीं हुआ ना. अरे it's fact bro. Situation is full of fun, like it's nice, like it actually बहुत साइलेंट रहता रोज, पर जब ऐसा पूरा साउंड्स रहता ना अच्छा लगता. एक दिन अच्छा रहता, पूरा 1 वीक कभी तो भी चाहिए तब करे तो इरिटेशन आते रहता फिर. फैक्ट, सॉरी बट इट्स अ फैक्ट. ओके, वी आर एंजॉइंग एंड आई विल शो यू द लुक ऑफ द हाउस. इट्स लुकिंग ब्यूटिफुल. या hearing dhar sound, sorry, ammo. Okay, that's the house, full of lights. I'm loving it. कि एक भूचक्कर इतना बड़ा रहता, इतना एज घूमता, एक 5 सेकंड घूमता. एक फ्लावर पॉट इतने का लाए, इधर तक ही चुड़ता, इधर तक इतना बड़ा फ्लावर पॉट रहता. इट विल जस्ट कम टिल योर हिप. What only ऐसा ही दिवाली बोल के अपन लोग लगा लेते, पर एक्चुअल मज़ा आता इधर तक उड़ने तक. फिर फटे तो अपने को समझ में आता. सॉरी इफ आई एम जोकिंग अ लॉट, बट अरे these are facts रे भाई. So nice, like all have been gathered. Aunties are coming at home, like all uncles are gathering of the society, and it's really nice. Sai, come.
Happy Diwali guys, how are you?
Bhavya.
Happy Diwali.
తినలే, తిన్నావా? జోరుగా చెప్పు.
Happy Diwali.
అమ్మో. Okay, so it's really nice. Everybody is meeting, spreading joy, love, happiness. You all also keep spreading love, joy, happiness like us. You want to say anything?
No.
You told happy Diwali, no?
Happy.
Tell them to be safe.
Be safe. Coronavirus is coming.
Coming.
Coming, but you are blasting also. Nothing will happen.
Coming, no. It's already there.
There also, but you are blast also.
Crackers they'll blast it.
Hey, don't blast it.
Ago. Wow. This sounds, na? This is mast, guys. This is something nice. Ago. वाह, क्या बात है. बहुत बड़ा बॉम्ब है. मज़ा आ रहा. मज़ा इसलिए आ रहा क्योंकि सब लोग जला रहे, उड़ा रहे, सब कुछ कर रहे, पर मैं क्या है कि उन लोगों के फ़ोटोज़ वीडियोज़ लेते बैठे. आई लव कैप्चरिंग मोमेंट्स. और ये तो पक्का है, कोई तो भी अपने फ़ोटोज़ लिए तो अच्छे नहीं आते, पर अपन उन लोगों के फ़ोटोज़ लिए तो ज़बरदस्त आते. अरे कितना मस्त आया रे. अपन सेटिस्फाइड नहीं रहते, पर छी अपन डिससेटिस्फाइड, वो लोग सेटिस्फाइड. इफ़ यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस, हिट लाइक. अरे आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस सो मच टाइम, वेरी मच. एंड दिस क्लोथ्स आर सो कंफर्टेबल, वेरी कंफर्टेबल. उनको इतना एक्साइटमेंट कायकू रहता रे भाई. ఏంద్రా ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ ఏంది, నాకు అర్థం కాదు. నాకు చెప్పు ఒక్కసారి. ఊకే భూచక్రాలు పెట్టి ఏమనాలి? How is explaining? Zarra something tapaki ramudu kathe. My friend is explaining. Kada?
Tapaki ramudu.
Ajju
tiyale. Itla kaalale. Malla urkutava. ఇదేమో నా తుపాకులు పెట్టేది గన్ను ఇదేమో నా తుపాకు రాము
చూపి
ఇట్లా అన్నాను లేదా ఇట్లా అన్నారు మళ్ళీ ఇట్లా పోతుంది
మళ్ళా బార్డర్ మీద పోవచ్చు కదరా ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు నాటకాలు చేస్తావు
అగో నా తమ్ముడు తుపాకి సినిమా తమ్ముడు ఉంటాడు వచ్చిండు హాయ్ చెప్పు
దేవుడా ఇద్దరు బార్డర్ ఇద్దరు బార్డర్ దగ్గర చేసుకోండి అండ్
బార్డర్ దగ్గర చెయ్యం మేము ఇక్కడ చేస్తాం
అరే దిస్ కిడ్స్ ఆర్ ఇరిటేటింగ్ బట్ దే ఆర్ ఫన్
guys see how are we guys hi bye friends
అరే రే రే రే
guys see this
అసలు लास्ट लड़ी फोड़ रहे ये लोग वो जरगो जरगो खत्म ఎట్ లాస్ట్ ఆన్ బెడ్ రిలాక్స్డ్ అంటే దివాళీ అంటే ఏంది ధూమ్ ధామ్ పండగ అంటే వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ టు మీ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ హియర్ యుల్ రన్ దేర్ యుల్ రన్ క్రాకర్స్ లక్ష్మీ బాంబ్ హైడ్రోజన్ బాంబ్ ఐ డిడ్ బ్లాస్ట్ ఐ ఓన్లీ డిడ్ సూసూర్ బత్తి అరే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ట్రూత్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ గైస్ దట్ అంకుల్ को హ్యాపీ దివాళీ దిస్ ఆంటీ को హ్యాపీ దివాళీ రిలేటివ్స్ విల్ కాల్ హ్యాపీ దివాళీ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు స్వీట్స్ తెచ్చుకున్నారా మీన్స్ మై రిలేటివ్స్ ఆర్ సో ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ వాట్ దే టోల్డ్ ఓకే యా లాస్ట్లీ ఐ డెంట్ విష్ ఆల్ ఓన్లీ let each diya you light bring a glow of happiness and enlighten your soul. Happy Diwali to you and your family members from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Yeah, if you love the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Forever Hansika. And I'm very sorry because this video was uploaded a little late, like I was waiting for Diwali, and I hope I will get new content for you guys and I'll be making videos. DM me on Insta or Snapchat. This is my Snap ID. Let me know how the video was. So happy Diwali again guys. Bye bye, take care.